sits desperately in need of God's mercy. He has come with a demonic addiction of eating alcoholic bottles and consumption of hard drugs for the past 4 years. What could cause a boy to be eating alcoholic bottles and consuming hard drugs? Let's listen to him.
My name's Besingi Wekatio. I'm from Mundemba. The problem that brought me to the Ark of God Covenant Ministry is that I'm addicted to eating alcoholic bottles and drug. It was when I was in our Carrefour one day where I decided to stroll. I met my friend there. He asked me to join them in one group. I said, which group? He said, no, he want me to join them in their occultic group. So I refused. But he said they will put me second in command in the group. So that moved me. So I went in our house and changed with my own black and black. I carried my own bottle. So went to the initiation ground. So in that initiation ground, we went there. They gave us medicine to drink. When we finished drinking them, we started demonstrating with the bottles. We break them and eat. They give us some to eat, to drink. We drink, and they cut us with machete. The machete cannot enter. I eat it when I meet my friends, when they demonstrate, like another group demonstrates in a bar. When I buy my own, I drink. When I break it, I will eat it. And satisfy myself. I feel satisfied, like when I eat it, I feel like I'm a hero. I feel like nobody can challenge me then.
Sister, do you have any alcoholic bottle to demonstrate to us how you eat the alcoholic bottles?
Yes, I have one here.
There's no wound. Turn your face up.
Well, I feel good as I eat it. Alcoholic bottle and food, I prepare to eat this alcoholic bottle because it's my meal. I love to eat it.
So where is the bottle that was in your mouth, sir?
I've swallowed it. It tastes well as I said before, and I love it. I want Jesus Christ to touch his servant, Apostle Donchi, to save me from this problem of eating bottles and taking drugs.
We pray with you that Jesus Christ will definitely use his servant Apostle John Chi to set you free from this eating of alcoholic bottle and addicted to drugs in Jesus' name.
Amen.
At the prayer line of the Ark of God's Covenant Ministry, the man of God, Apostle John focus. Let's watch what
Man of God help me. Man of God help me. I eat bottles. I enter a court in my village. Man of God help me. I enter a court in my village. I enter a court in my village. I've been seeing you in my dreams about 2 times. I've been seeing you, man of God help me. You came in my dream and touched me. Man of God, I eat bottles. I smoke cigarettes rampantly. I drink alcohol. Man of God help me. I've over-suffered my mother. She has slept both in vain. Man of God help me. I do bad things. I eat bottle. I broke bottle. I do bad things. In my village, they don't like me. They call me H-bomb. Man of God help me. Man of God, they call me H-bomb. I've seen you in my dream 2 times. You come to pray for me. Man of God help me. You come to pray for me in my dream 2 times, Mondemba. Man of God help me. I walk with bottles.
You say what?
I walk with bottles. I come in Mondemba.
You walk with bottles?
I eat bottles after drinking them. When we meet in club with my friends, when they broke their own, we broke in our own group. We eat it. I eat it. So man of God, I've destroyed my mother. I've made her say all her things. She sent me to school. I fight carelessly. I smoke rampant. Man of God, tell me I drink alcohol. Man of God, help me. Even in my village, I don't let my friends work with me because I'm a bad seed. They call me in that court H-bomb.
They call you?
H-bomb is my title.
H what?
H-bomb. H with bomb. I just get the name, man of God. They call me H-bomb, even in Bekoga, even in Monemba. Anywhere my mother sent me, my mother is a seamstress. She has so fat for long. I made her to cripple before my heart cool. Even here in Boya, anywhere I go and meet my mother will run. I've come here in Boya. She convinced me.
For me since today, I'm not having peace. I sold everything because of this child. The child is smoking burger, smoking cigarettes, alcoholic. So every person is rejecting me. I've moved from one place to another. He said that you see, he has seen you twice in his dream. That you have delivered him, that I should bring him here. There is nobody, no man of God will never deliver except Apostle John Chi. I am alone, the whole and division Kumba, they knows me. Anyone that knows that this my son is a rejected son, go, no one don't want to see me. I'm confused. So let me, may Jesus intervene.
You say you eat alcoholic bottles?
Yes, man of God. I when we go to show, like.
How did you come about these bottles?
One of my friends, my mother told me one night in morning, but I should not go out. I told her, I say a time have passed. So I went out and I stood around the Carrefour in my village. So my one friend came with bottle. He was carrying bottle on his back. He said, H-bomb, I want you to go and join. He called me Chawana. I want you to go and join one group. Is that they are calling for you? I said, who is calling for me? He called the name of the God. Then they say that the God wants me. I say, why? He said, woman God. That because I'm a handsome boy. That he like me because I'm handsome. I said, no, I will not join because I have the